Dropshipping from Temu to Amazon is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how you guys can dropship from your Temu account to your Amazon. So for that, you have to go to the Temu website or an Amazon website. You need to have accounts for both of these websites. And after creating the account, you can start the affiliation or dropshipping, but you cannot do this on your own. You are going to be needing a inventory manager or a warehouse holder, which needs to work with you to hold all of the products that you want to dropship, and it will be holding the inventory of Amazon for you. What you will be doing is ordering Temu products into your Amazon warehouse and then resending it to the customer. So you need to have an Amazon account as well and a inventory manager as well. So these are the things required to dropship from your Temu to Amazon. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.